Here are 5 ways to instantly make your videos more professional just by the way you frame it. And by the way, we're going to the zoo to learn this stuff. There are some filming basics that can turn your video from amateur to professional. Today, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this through 5 video composition techniques, also known as framing. The first technique sounds completely obvious. It's keep the camera level. Just like when you hang up a picture on the wall, you don't want it to be crooked. Same goes with video. So let's visit the flamingos and take a look. Here we have a nice level shot and oops. Now the flamingos are on a hill, except the water isn't going down. Looks a little weird, but it's a little more obvious when you're in a place like this. So remember, keep that shot straight and level. Number 2, use the rule of thirds. Imagine a tic-tac-toe grid on your screen. You basically want the center of attention at the intersections and lines. So we have his face right at an intersection and his body along a horizontal line. It makes for a balanced and better looking shot as opposed to framing the leopard's face smack dab in the middle. Number 3, headroom. Too little or too much, and it can look pretty bad, right? A basic rule of thumb is if the subject's eyes are on the top line of the rule of thirds, you'll have enough headroom. So, have you ever seen a video where there is too much headroom? Comment below and let me know. Number 4, looking room. Looking room is when you want to give the person, or in this case a tiger that you're filming, you want to give them space between them and the edge of the screen. If you don't, it's unbalanced and leaves you with an uncomfortable feeling like they're smashed up against a wall that they're staring at. And number 5, the shot size. There's the establishing shot. This is a wide shot that lets viewers get a feel for where they're at. There's the medium shot to give them a closer view. And there's the close-up for an intimate look and feel. Koalas are so cute, oh my goodness. And if you want to start filming yourself so you look hands down amazing, you can grab my free training video, How to Film Yourself Professionally on a Phone. In this training, I go through step by step how to light yourself 3 different ways, how to create a film set in any location, and the list goes on. Just grab it at the link in the description. Can't wait to see you there.